be your favorite. I just wanna be your favorite.
What's up, style babes? It's Tiandra Oriana and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're hopping right into it. I'm doing a wig install from start to finish. Finally, I haven't done one of those in so long, so here it goes. This is the same exact wig that I recently colored. It was 613 and then I turned it into this like ginger French cognac color. If you haven't seen that video, it's right above or down below. Click that link so you can see me cut it into a bob as well. So I'm doing the ball cap method, like I said, start to finish, and I'm taking some Got2b gel and I put that on my ear tabs because I literally have a pet peeve with my ear tabs coming up. And then I go in with the freeze blast spray for the remainder part of my forehead, and then on the other side I do the same thing with the Got2b gel to gel down my sideburns, and it works. Like, it really works. So I like doing it. I put that on cool, let that dry. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. I think this is the camo concealer, the hydrating one, and it's in medium beige. I use that to color my wig cap and to also color the inside of my wig, the lace. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to cut off the ear tabs and the remainder of the ball cap. So when I cut my ball cap off, I like to pull it back. As you see, I'm pulling it back and then I'm cutting. This gets a very seamless ball cap because I used to have a problem with that when I would use the spray. Like, my cap would literally, like, the little flyaways would stick up and it'd be so annoying when you try and put the glue on. But as you can see, it's literally seamless. It's laying down nice and flat. So that is the key. You have to pull the wig cap back as you're cutting it and it'll be nice and seamless. So I'm gonna go in with my makeup to cover up, you know, to get it to blend in with me. And then I do the same thing with the wig, but you'll see that soon. So now I'm gonna go in with some alcohol. I believe this is like 70% or it might be 90%. 90% is the better because it's 90%. It's cleaning, like it's cleaning the skin, okay? So I'm gonna make sure all the dirt, oil, makeup is all off because you want a nice seamless surface when you're applying the glue. That is how you get a seamless install. That is how your installs last longer when you clean it. Also, if you have skin protectant, use skin protectant. I didn't have any skin protectant with me because this was Bold Hold. Bold Hold does have skin protectant, but I just didn't have it on me. So I did apply that makeup onto my lace and it looked a little white still. It looked a little white still. I don't know if that's just like the lace itself, because this is an Amazon wig, so some of the Amazon wigs be a little, you know, a little bugging. The lace is very much light. Maybe I just didn't put enough makeup on it. I really don't know, but the lace is very much light. I think this is supposed to be like transparent because most 613 wigs are transparent lace. Yeah, I don't know. The lace was a little annoying because it was light. But anyways, I'm gonna go in and I like to do sections. You can apply the glue from ear to ear and then pull the wig all the way down, but I don't like doing that because I feel like when I do that, something always go wrong. So I just do what works for me, and that's what you need to do too. Do what works for you. So this is the Bold Hold. It's the Bold Hold. It's good glue. It's definitely good glue. I wish that I would have used like the skin protectant. Oh, a list of glues that are good. The Bold Hold is good, don't get me wrong. It's definitely good, and it's affordable because they have it like in hair stores. They got it on Amazon. They also have it on her actual website. Erica J, Hold Me Down Adhesive. Always gonna be good glue. That is some good glue, but it is a little pricey. Like, I think the biggest bottle that I have is like maybe $80 or $90. But it's really good glue. Like, it definitely is good glue, and it really does work. What's another one? Ghost Bond, that's another one. That's like a first starting glue. Like, that's really good, like when you're first starting. They got that at the hair store as well. So I did go ahead and start the layer. I'm so sorry, I'm just talking. I started the layer or whatever. I'm gonna do it right here what I did because I was talking on the first clip. All right, so You can go in with about 3 to 4 layers, but I only did one just because I was doing another wig video like right after this, so I was like, I don't want it to stay on too long. So I just smooth that out. You want to get a nice thin layer. Do not get no chunky layers and then think that the glue's gonna dry all quick, and then you try and put it on and then it's all that, you see that white glue, like it will literally show under there. So just smooth it out nice and smoothly, get her nice and seamless and look all good. So yeah, that's what I did, and then I let that get clear. Don't let it get completely dry because it will not stick. Let it get clear, and then you apply it onto the glue. I like to apply it over the glue because if you apply it behind the glue, then you'll get, like, when you cut the lace off, you'll have a bunch of sticky glue parts that the lace just didn't attach to, and you'll have to clean it up, and it's just too much work. So apply it over the glue, and if you have like little pieces that stick up, you can always go back and just put some glue under those little parts. So I do the same thing on the other side, smooth it out, get her nice and, I don't know, I'm just rambling right now, but yeah, I'm just smoothing her out, just getting a thin layer as possible. Like I said, you really want a thin layer. You also want to make sure that it dries clear and not white. Do not place that lace on if it is white because it will show under that lace, and 9 times out of 10 it won't go nowhere. Like, honestly, even when the glue is 100% dry, like, you might still see little white patches. That has happened to me before. Like, I'll think like, oh, okay, it's whatever. I'll put it on there and then still see a little white patch of glue that's supposed to be dry. So now I'm gonna go in with my sections and cut it off. I tried to do the razor thing. I do like using the razor, but this razor was dull as hell and it was not working for me. So I was like, forget this. Like, I'm not gonna mess up my cutting. So I just go in with my shears and I just do a zigzag method. It's really your preference what works for you. Some people use the razor and some people use the shears. I do want to go back to using the razor, but that razor was just very dull, so I was like, no. So I just went in with my shears, did a zigzag motion, and there we have it, nice and seamless. I don't think I had to go in and glue like little pieces I were lifting. I might have, I don't know, but I don't think I had to. So yeah, I'm just doing that zigzag motion, cutting off the rest of the lace and section by section. So now it is time for this lovely Ebin Wonder Lace spray. This is the Supreme one. They have active one, then they have like another one that's like dull as hell, so we don't even talk about that one. So I just go in with that before I put on my elastic band, just to make sure that everything is nice and together, okay? It's nothing wrong with extra security, all right? So as that is melting, I go ahead and start to style the rest of the wig. I already pressed it off camera, so I don't know how to do much but just like bump the ends a little bit. We're not going to bump them too hard, just a nice little, oh, that was a hard bump, okay? That was a really hard bump. I did not mean to bump it that hard. We were supposed to give it a little cute bump. Now it's looking a little crazy, but don't worry about that, okay? Don't worry about that. It's okay. I don't like to go too hard with the bumps on a bob, but that one was really hard. Like, but anyways, I'm gonna go in and start my baby hairs. I did let the elastic band sit on for probably about like 25-30 minutes, really. If I'm doing something else or if I'm styling the wig, that's really how long I let the elastic band sit on. So I'm just gonna go in, like I said, pull out some baby hairs because I don't know, this lace was really light. It was very light, so I was like, I don't want to wear it without baby hairs because it's not giving. It's a little light. It's just a little bit light for me. Like I said, maybe I could have added more makeup to it, or the lace is trash. I don't know. But it was a good wig, for what it was. So I go in with my, what is this? This is a pencil flat iron. Yeah, a pencil flat iron. And I curl my baby hairs up. It really goes on how I feel because sometimes I curl them up, sometimes I curl them down. I think for like the sideburns, I usually curl them downwards. I don't remember. Let's see. Yep, downwards. Okay, yeah. For the sideburns, I curl them downwards. For like my forehead babies, I curl them upwards. I'm gonna take a little bit of Got2b gel and just put that on the base, like where the roots are at. And I don't like to put it on the full baby hair because I don't want it to be stiff. But it really does depend though, because sometimes I'll just use Got2b gel like a little bit, and then sometimes I'll use just mousse. and then sometimes I'll use Got to Be gel and mousse. So really your preference, really see how it works for you, honestly, because it really depends. Like, some days I really like using just mousse, and other days I just like using the gel. It really just works for you. Alright, y'all, so here is the finishing results. This is how it ended up coming out, and like I said, I don't know, the lace was just not lacing for me. Maybe I could have added more makeup, maybe it was the lace, I don't know, but it still came out cute overall. This was the color that it came out to be. I used French Cognac. If you have not seen that video of me coloring this wig, cutting it into a bob, make sure you click that link above in the iCards or down below. Please go and watch that, y'all. And yeah, I will do more start to finish installs. I feel like I haven't done that in so long, so I will start to do that more so people can really learn what they're doing, you know? Like, some people don't like those fast cut clips of you just boom having the wig on and then that's it. Like, the video is boring. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new here. Hit that bell so you are notified every single time that I post. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials. My Instagram is Tiandra and my TikTok is Tiandra O. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye, style babes.